2025 Valentine's week started very well.
Hello, happy Rose Day. It's 7th of February 2025 and right now let me see. It's 6:45 a.m. in the morning and today I am going to Dokhineshwar, Belur and maybe New Market. So my parents are going with me. We are not going to celebrate the Rose Day but as we sometimes go to New Market. So last year it was not possible, even in January it was not possible, so because it was cold, my mother was not comfortable, so that's why we choose this date. And that time we don't have any idea, like we forget that it's a Rose Day, so hopefully there won't be much crowd. It's Friday, by the way, so we are going there. Let's see what will happen. It is going to be a tour vlog and one person ready and another, I don't know. My father is coming.
My father's duty to lock the gate and he will check everything. So by metro we went to Dokhineshwar from Taliganj metro.
Towards Dokhineshwar.
Clicked a picture of Ma, that is Dokhineshwar metro.
It's 8 lane and already reached Dokhineshwar. So here they are. It's quite cold. I couldn't understand that in Jadavpur it was not that cold, but in Dokhineshwar, Bapre, it's really very cold. So I have only this chadar, this t-shirt. So we don't come here for the puja, but first we will go for the kachuri shop. Hopefully it will be open. Let's see. And then we will go to Belur.
We avoided the skywalk because my mom cannot walk so much, so we had the toto per head 10 rupees, and if you go for the reserve that will be 50 rupees till Mandir gate.
Reached at Mandir gate. We take the toto because my mother cannot walk through the skywalk. That's why we take the toto. It's 10 rupees per head, but it was not full. First he said 50 rupees for reserve, and then he said 40 rupees. তাহলে টোটো ছেড়ে দেবো, I said okay, and then so it's 40 rupees and we reach. Otherwise if there is passenger it will be 10 rupees per head. So going for the coach.
And that is the kochuri shop, Loknath Hotel. From here I always have the kochuri. It is good, reasonable price, and really taste was also good. So this is the first time I take my parents here. They loved it. Now on everybody knows my father love kochuri and luchi tarkari, so he was busy in eating as usual. He is very happy. That was his happy face. This is his happy face. He doesn't smile. Rare my parents go out with me, so I always try to capture every moment.
Previously that was the road towards Ferryghat, and right now here I think a new path. Ferryghat. Okay, construction is going on. Going towards Bhavatarini Ghat and Belur Mount.
Dokhineshwar to Belur ticket price 11 rupees.
Quite cold. It's Bhavatarini Ghat, Mane Jeti Ghat. From Dokhineshwar to Belur, 11 rupees per head. We are all waiting. That is the ticket counter. Waiting for the launch. I guess that one is our launch. Hope so. No idea.
Actually, it's my fault that I couldn't see the khamba, so I just hit it, but I was not hurt. That was my fault, definitely. Next time I will be very careful about this. And that is Dokhineshwar and going towards the ghat, and we will board on that launch. So we are waiting. Inside launch, ma click this, and I thought to click their picture as well. I couldn't get a place to sit, so I was roaming around, and I love it actually.
So we are going towards Belur, and it's 9 a.m. right now. My childhood, I never see it. Whenever I am in the ferry ride or launch ride, I don't see it. I don't like to see it.
From launch, I was watching Belur. So it took at least 15 to 20 minutes to reach there. It was the Bhata time. That's why it took so much time. So that is Belur. A splendid view, I can say, from the launch. I went to Belur by launch so many times, at least 12 to 13, 14 times. But every time I go there, I feel like a child, and I always capture this view. I love it actually. Though I am not a beach or river person, but I love this place. Finally, we reached Belur, and this is the first time I went to old Mott. Inside the Mott, there is a room of Sharoda Ma. So, this is the must watch place, I can say. If you're going to Belur, don't miss this place. So, from outside, I click the picture because inside photography is not allowed.
That is the Jetty Ghat, and this is Ramakrishna Mission, Old Mott. So I have seen the bedroom of Sharoda Ma, and then একজন বলেন কি এখানে স্বামীজি যেটা বেলুর মঠে প্রেয়ারগুলো হয় সেটা ওখানে বসে লিখেছিলেন। So it's a good place. You can come over here when you are visiting Belur Mott. Definitely a good place. So we are going towards the Belur Mott.
It was so cold that day. We had tea because from the morning we couldn't have tea, so we had tea. It was 10 rupees. The tea was really good in taste. So Matir Bhare cha is a nostalgia.
Finally, I'm going to Belur Mott. So inside maybe photography and videography is not allowed. So I won't do that without permission. Yeah, not allowed.
Belur Mott entry timing.
Okay, from here you can buy so many things like dhupkathi, achar, pickle, sauce, and again Maharaj gives me this toffee. I really have a good toffee bhaggo. So Maharaj gives me the toffee over there. It was very nice of them. Always I get somehow.
Later I saw these are Imli lozenges. He gave me 6. Wow. And my favorite place, Belur Mott. This place has a positive vibe on me always. I really feel good over here. Next, I went to see the Shamiji Badi. He used to live over here, but I saw the cute cat. I did not go upstairs because I went there so many times. As I love farming and gardening, my father was looking after that flowers, and I was busy in watching these tomatoes, brinjal or aubergine, you can say. And then I have seen cauliflower, full kofi, badha kofi, cabbage. So they are harvesting over in this inside Belur Mott. So this is, yes, a good thing to watch. Semi-ripe tomatoes. Even in the bhog, they are using these tomatoes, begun, and that full kofi, badha kofi. So this is really nice. That's why I think it's very tasty.
Tomato
And a mandatory picture of 3 of us. Belur is really organized.
shoe counter. There you can deposit your shoes, and you go to take the prasad, you can collect your shoes, but inside the mandir premises, the mott premises, shoes are not allowed. So just maintain that.
This is the first time I visited. The museum was really good.
Ramakrishna Museum visiting hours 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Again 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And I think you must visit this Ramakrishna Sangraha Mandir in Belur Mott. This is a really good thing. So many things you can see. It's a new one, and have to keep the shoes in that place because inside shoes are not allowed, and even photography is not allowed. But this is a really good place to visit, and the ticket price is 10 rupees. It's a huge place, must watch, I can say. So this year I have seen two things, like Roda Devi house, the old mott, and then the Ramakrishna Sangraha Mandir or the museum.
And after that I was going back to Dokhineshwar. We will have lunch, so clicked a picture with my parents, and that is the launch again.
Going back to
It was not easy to get a seat, so that's okay. We were standing and we reached to Dokhineshwar. This time it will take time, but it was the Joar time, so I don't know why it took much more time. At least twice I go to Belur and Dokhineshwar. If it's not twice, at least once in a year. But still, I love to capture each moment during this journey because this ferry ride is very memorable for me, always. And now reach to Dokhineshwar or Bhabatarini Ghat. So this is the new jetty.
the right jetty going towards Belur, and from Belur we are using the second jetty. 12:15 and we reached at Dokhineshwar, but we are not going inside. I'm going towards the Dali shop, that's it. And then we will have lunch over here. So that is Dokhineshwar. So I bought the fruits from here. So these are the fruits I always bought, and going towards the lunch. Going for lunch actually, not towards. Oh, so it is done.
It was Friday and Rose Day, but still Dokhineshwar was very much crowded, so we are going back.
Bhojanaloy, and construction is going on. It is covered.
From this restaurant I always have the lunch, so I took my parents for the first time over there and they loved it.
पनीर थाली ना, पनीर थाली, भात, ডাল, চাটনি, পনির, আলু পোস্ত, আর এটা কি ফুলকপির তরকারি, পাপড়। এটা কত ছিল জানো? এটা 120।
That was chicken thali for my father. He shared actually with us.
ফিশ থালি, রাইস, পাপড়, চাটনি, ডাল, সবজি, fish, chicken, that is 170 rupees, and chicken thali 220. All are same. Instead of fish there is 4-piece chicken.
I couldn't eat all, so I packed this rice and sabji to my tiffin box. I always carry a tiffin box. So they are eating, and then our next stop was New Market. So by metro we reached New Market.
Finally I am in New Market area, and I have some work to do, and then I'll go back. Love this t-shirt. Where is my parents? Here. আরেকজনকে খুঁজে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না। এই খেয়েছি।
It's really tough to click a picture of my father.
The day already coming to an end. We woke up very early today, around 5 a.m. and then we have to go for the metro, first metro. So it was really very hectic day, and right now I'm in New Market. My parents are waiting there, they're waiting, and I have to buy some stuff for my cooking, and after that maybe we will go to KFC or Burger King. We don't know, we don't know yet, not decided, for tea or coffee, something like that, and then we will go back to home. And we have a plan that from New Market, from New Chorongi, we will buy Mughlai paratha for our dinner. So let's see. And right now, how I am look like a Joro Kak. So that is it. It is kind of a special day. I love to do a vlog. Otherwise, I don't do daily vlog. But this kind of special day, when I am going out with my parents, I prefer to make it a vlog that we will memorize the day. So not signing off, but I'm running actually because I have to buy some more stuff.
After my work is done, I took my parents to Burger King, BK Cafe, New Market, and we had this coffee. So they enjoyed this coffee, and I had a surprise over there. They don't know that I was catering. Actually, I was doing the video. They thought I was clicking picture, but no, I'm not.
Okay, this is a cute one they ordered. They actually gave me this sample classic cold coffee. This is for sampling. If you like it, we can order. So hot coffee and cold coffee.
I had hot and cold coffee both. And I love this teeny cup of classic cold coffee. Breakfast, lunch, and then evening snacks, everything is done, and now we are going back to home, and this time by taxi. We were exhausted, but we enjoyed the day and we are very happy. So in the comment box you can tell me that you like to take out your parents. Definitely I love to do it. Very rare they go out, but I enjoy that. And this is what I bought from Belur. So signing off from Madhurima's kitchen.